Hello everyone, this is Sam from SamuraiMini.com. I've got here another little deck van. This is a silver one, aftermarket alloy wheels and a clean tidy unit. This is a bit older one, 2005, but it's in nice condition. It's got the usual deck in the back there. You can put things in there you don't mind if they get wet. Keeps them out of the cab, fishing gear, that kind of thing. And obviously it's got the normal van type cabin. Just have a look in here, you can see the seats nice and clean, steering wheel's pretty good still. I'll just start the engine up. Still 48,000 Ks, about 30,000 miles, and four-wheel drive. Press that button, the four-wheel drive comes on. It's an automatic transmission and it's got air conditioning, heater, a fully enclosed cabin. It's nice and you can keep dry, keep warm, keep cool in here. Now the weather here is very humid and you can see the air conditioner is working wonderful, which is great. This vehicle is going to be sold in the US for off-road use only, so they're in comparison with a normal ATV or UTV vehicle, and compared with those they've got a lot of good equipment. Power windows, this one's got dual airbags, air conditioning as I mentioned, the fully enclosed cabin, and so you can get around on a property without getting wet and whatever. It's very useful. In the back of this, it's got a sliding door on the side. Got a bench seat in the back with seat belts for two people, 3-point harnesses. So that's what this is. It's going to be shipped out very soon, coming to the US. If you're interested in one like this exact one, or you think you could make some money as a distributor for us in the US, have a look on our website SamuraiMini.com and you'll see a lot more information on there about doing that. Thank you very much for watching.